Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. In this video, we will be learning on how to rearrange columns in an existing data file and save it as a new file in Excel using Pandas. Before we start, if you are new to Python, don't worry. We had prepared our complete playlist where we explain everything you need to know. So please watch our playlist mentioned above, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out your learning. To access our Excel file, simply double-click on it, and it will automatically open with Microsoft Office. We can see the first column name is full name, and second column name is age. So let's start with Python. First, let's import Pandas library using the command import pandas as PD. Next, let's read the existing data file using the command df is equal to pd.readcsv. Now, let's rearrange the columns as per our requirement. For example, let's say we want to move the column age before the column name. We can do this using the command reindex function. Before using that function, we will arrange the data by the column order over here. We will mention age column first, and then full name column. The formula will be column order is equal to square bracket and age comma, full name square bracket closed. Then we will use re.index function, and the formula will be df is equal to df.reindex bracket, and column is equal to column order bracket closed. Finally, to save the modified data frame as a new Excel file, you can use the df.to_csv function and specify the file name and path. Let's now run this code on our sample data file and see the output. As you can see, our new file has the columns rearranged in the order we specified. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on your learning.